far back as I remember, I enjoyed working with my hands. Taking a piece of timber, wood, or using any knots or imperfections to create something unique and original, while also making something beautiful and functional. There's a satisfaction in the creating and the pride in the final piece. It usually starts with a chat on the phone or an email through the website. For us, it's about the small details. We listen to our customer and then create solutions to discover how we can bring someone's dream home or business to fruition. The best satisfaction and pride is seeing a client's reaction in a final reveal of our work. It's about giving people comfort, pleasure in their homes or businesses, while also minimising any stress or inconvenience that inevitably comes with work of this nature. As a business owner myself with a young family, I know how important time is, so I take personal pleasure to help people in their businesses to help them grow, as we do also. Domestic, commercial and industrial, from a variety of projects: doors, floors, kitchens, bedrooms, renovations or extensions, shop fit-outs, gyms and coffee docks. Each project has its challenges, and it's those challenges that we relish.